Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one, and it motivates our team to serve you better. We work very hard to achieve great reviews like this. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.